Hello my students, how are you? For today we'll explain from additional practice. Lesson number 1, number through in million. We must know the base value of the digits like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, and so on. Each period contains of 3 numbers like this number 600,000, 10,000, 2,000, 300. This number we have 300 and 2 lines in the 1,000 place, 3,000 and 10,000 and 600,000. This number here 1 plus 10 plus 200 plus 1,000 plus 4,000, 40,000. Okay, you won't write the expanded form of the number. This number 500,000, 500,000. This number 64,672. We can write 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 6 and double 0, 672. We called it expanded form. It's expanded form of the number. Okay, what about 99? 99,000 327. We can write the expanded form of this number. We can write expanded form. 9 here lies in 10,000 place, 90,000 and 9,000, and also 327. It's expanded form. We call it expanded form. What about word form? Word form, its meaning writes the number is the letters or number name. Number name. Number we called it 92,318 and 428,737, 1,216. Okay. Question number 9. Jackson has 5 boxes of 3 golf balls. They give Jackson 2 more boxes of 3 golf balls. How many golf balls does Jackson have now? So we have 5 boxes of 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. So we can write the result 5 product by 3 and also write 2 product by 3. 5 plus 3 equals 15 and 2 times 3 6. 15 plus 6 equals 21. Then the answer here will be 21. Understood? Next question. 35,417 people attended country fair. Write the number using numerals. 35,417. Okay. Next question. The teacher asks the class to write 47,027. Okay, this number must write what? 47,027. Like this, 47,027. This answer it will be true. This means to write our answer true because Denise wrote 47,207. Denise write 47,207. He wrote the 2 in hundreds place. 20 is 2 tens. 20 is 2 tens, so the 2 should be written in the tens place. Next question. Higher order thinking. The food driver, a food bank, has a goal to collect 24,000 cans. If the food bank collects 100 fewer cans than its goals, how many cans did it collect? Write 23,900 cans. Okay, the total answer. Assessment about question number 13. A comic box store has 26,298 comics in stock. Select all the places that have G2. Here lies in the what? First lies in the hundreds place. Understood? We have the first lies in the hundreds place and 10,000 place, and also here hundreds and 10,000s. Select all the equal result. We have 209,604. We can write the expanded form 200,000 plus 9,000 plus 604. 200,000 plus 9,000 plus 600 plus 4. 209,000 plus 600 plus 4. Okay, next page. Talk about this value relationship. between two numbers. Like the value of digit 4 in the hundredths place has a value 10 times the greater as 4 in the tens place. 400 equal 10 times 40. Okay, write the number in which value is 10 times greater than this number. We can write number in the next place of thousands will be 10,000, like 89,495. The first day of the closing drive, 11 rain jackets were collected at the end of the drive. 10 times the number of rain jackets were collected. How many rain jackets were collected? We can product 11 by 10. 11 by 10 result will be 110. We can write 11 product by 10. The result will be 110. Okay, 110. After the closing drive had ended, volunteer placed the 2,000 collected into 10 bills to go to 10 different shelters. How many items were in each bill? We can write here 20,000 divided by 10. We must divide the two numbers to find the number of items. The total number was 20,000 divided by 10. We can cancel 0 by 0. The result will be 200. Or you can write 200 product by 10 equal 2,000. So we can divide it by two numbers. 2,000 divided by 200 equal 10. Okay, and the result will be 200 items. Next question, number 5. What is the relation between the sixes in number and number? Okay, we can find the value of digit 6 by left hand side. It will be 600,000. The value of digit 6, 600,000, and the value of digit 6 here lies in 100. So the value of digit here 600,000 equals 600 product by what? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we have 2 only, then we must product by 1,000. Okay, then the value of the 6 in the 100,000th place is 1,000 times is greater as the 6 in the 100th place. And next, name the value of digit. So we can write on the ones, in the tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Question number 7. Who sold the most cups of Mont? Who sold the fewest? The most was nearly no Kim is the most, and the smallest was Kino. We have the vertical, it's bar models. Okay, the vertical or horizontal, we can draw about Kim going to 50, continue to 10, then it's the greatest and the smallest. You can find the most and the lowest. Okay, and algebra, how many cups lemons were sold? We can eat together from the bar model. So bar graph here we have 40 plus 50 plus 10 plus 40 plus 20. 20. Look at here, this bar going to 20, like it 20. Okay, this is 20, and Lee 20, and Tino 10, and Kim 50, and Lil 40. Next question. Algebra, how many cups of limonada were sold in all? Write and solve an equation. 20 plus 10 plus 50 plus 40. The result will be 120 cups. John, is the relationship between the 7 in the number and the number 7? We know. Ask it, it's true or false about the different way and explain. The value of digit 7 here, we have 7,700. 7,700, it's exactly equal. We have the difference. The simple answer, changing the digit in the tens and ones place doesn't change the place value relation between the sevens in the thousands and hundreds place. Higher order thinking in your own words explains the place value relationship when the same digits are next to each other in a multi-digit number. We know when the same two digits are next to each other is multiply digit 10. Like if we have 7,000, if we have 7,721, the value of digit 7 here in thousand place, it will be 7,000, and the value of digit 7 here, it will be 700. Then 7,000 equal 10 product by 700. So we have the relation between two numbers, except effectively comes like 7,700. So if we have to get number near each other or next to each other, it multiplies the number. The digit on the left is 10 times the greater as the digit on the right. Okay, assessment here. Choose the following, choose the values. Fives here, we have 5 lines in thousands place and hundreds place, 5,000 and 500. And which number is the value? 6 is 10 greater than this number. We want to choose the number here. 6 lies in where? In 10,000s. We have 162,398. We want to choose the number which is the value of digit 6 in it is 10 more than. 10 more than is meaning we must write number the 6 lies in where? In the next place. We have 10,000 here, 100,000. Then we must choose letter C because letter C 6 here lies in 100,000. Okay, understood? Because the value of digit 6 here 60,000, a 6 value 6 here 600,000. The value of digit 600,000 is 10 times more than the value of digit 6 is the first number. Then you must choose letter C. Okay. Now practice number 3. Compare whole numbers. We can combine between two numbers. First step, we must counting all digits like this. We have here 6 digits and 6 digits, so you must look at left hand side. 2 equal 2 and 2 equal to 9 greater than 7, then 9,000 greater than 7,000. So if we have 5 digits and 4 digits, the value of each digits we have different because if we have 5 digits and 4 digits, the greatest number contains of 5 digits. Now we can combine all numbers here. We have 6 digits and 6 digits, and then we can write here 8 equal 8, 4, 5 and 4. No, 5 greater than 4. 52,000, 52,000. 789, 876. So 7 less than 8. Okay, and so on. And in this example, you can find the standard form of the number. Number 30,000, 34,000 and 74. 34,074. Okay, equivalent. We can eat together. We asked about what is the place you're comparing. How you can find the result comparing between two numbers. I can see here 3 equal 3 and 1 and 4. Then we have difference about hundreds place. Different numbers about what is the place value? 100,000. 8 greater than 7. And here the tens place 2 and 1. And here thousands place. The difference now thousands place, and here the ones place. 100,000 place will be 3 and 4. Okay. Next question, use more than or less than equal to. We have 129,788 and 128,741. Number less than, we can combine between two of the city population choosing the table. The value of region 2 here, 129,788 is greater than 128,741. Okay. We asked about vocabulary. A number written in expanded form is the sum of each base value. It's 39,005 in expanded form. We can write 30,000 plus 9,000 plus 5. Also, according to 2010, the state with fewest people is warming with population of 563,626. Write the number that is 10,000 greater than this number. Who can tell me? 5, 6, 3. We must change 6 because 5 and 5, 6, 6, 3. He asked about convert the number that is 10,000 greater than this number. Understood? You can change. You must add 10,000 to this number to get number greater than the other. Understood or not? Again, we have the number 563,626. He asked about 8 to 10,000 two numbers. This will be 6 to 6 and 3 and 7 and 5. Still 573,626. Next question. Did write his addition problem choose. He says that he can tell which sum will be greater without adding. How does he know if two problems have one added that is the same the problem with the greater second didn't will be greater? This we have 8,157 plus 364. And here 8,156, 57, 550. They are equivalent, left hand side but right hand side 519 greater than 364. So if two problems have the 8 one, it is the same. If we have the same number, it will be the same, but we have the difference here. The first number 364 and second number 519, so it's different. So the simple answer, if two problems have one added is the same, the problem without with the greater second addend will always be greater. Okay, find the sums, write a comparison using more than or less than or equal to between two numbers. We can combine between two numbers like this: 8676 greater than 8521. You can find the result between two numbers. Can you add together here? We have 8000 157 82 364. 7 plus 4 11. 1 and the carry up 1. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 5 12. 2 and the carry up 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5 and 8 8521. And also the next number we can write 8157 82,590. 9 plus 7 16. 6 and the carry up 1. 2 plus 5 7. 5 plus 1 6 and write 8 8676. And we can combine between two numbers: 8676 greater than 8521. True or false? We have it's true, because 3 equal 3, 5 equal 5, 6 less than 7. This number 219 475 219 and 476 is false, because here 7 5 less than 6. Okay, you can complete all questions true or false. Addition numbers, rounding is a number. Round the number is meaning approximating to the nearest hundred or thousands or the next place. What about approximating? If you approximate the number, you must look at right hand side the digit like this. What about this number? 160,656. We can approximate it to the nearest what? This place lies at what? Lies in 100,000. Look at right hand side. 6. Give one or not. We have rich digit 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We called it rich digits. Can give 1. 6 can give 1 to 1. So 1 will be 2. And then write all digits here zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the result will be 200,000. And next question: 149,590. We can approximate to the nearest 100,000. 4 is a poor digit. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We called it poor digits. Can give 1. Can't give 1. Okay. Then 4 can't give 1. Then 1, write 0, 0 and 3 zeros. The result will be 100,000. And what about the number here? 117,821. We can approximate this number. About this place, we called it hundreds. 2 give 1 or not? Can't give 1, because 2 less than 5. Any digit less than 5 can't give 1. So you must put double 0 here. And 2 can't give 1 to 8 number digit, and then 7, 1 and 1. The result will be 117,800. Okay. And also all questions you can solve it like this number. We have 867,867. We can approximate this number to the nearest 100,000. 6 can give 1 to left hand side. It will be 9. And then we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 zeros. The result will be 900,000. Okay. It's about approximating. Now we can look at the models here to solve. Which place could be rounding so that rounded population of all three cities are the same? We have here the last place is 100,000. We can approximate it all to the nearest 100,000 place. Which place could you round to so the rounded population of three cities are different? Thousands place different. They are different about thousands place, like 2 and 0 and 2 also. But about 100, look at here, 10,000, it's similar about 8 and 8 and 9. We have 8 and 8 and 9. but they are different about 1000 place. Look at here, 2, 0, 2. We have here asked about what? Asked about 6 different. All three cases, 1000 siblings, they are different about 1000 siblings. They are different about 1000 siblings. Okay. Okay. Asked about which place you rounding, so that the rounding population of all three cases are the same. We can approximate it to the nearest thousands. Next question: which place could you round so that the rounded population of three cases are different? They are different at 1000 siblings, 2, 0, and 2. In the 1000 place, they are different. In the 100 place, they are similar about 100 siblings. Next question, number 18. The books of office managers said about 5,000 people attended the show. Write a number that could be actual attended if correctly rounded to the nearest 100. Okay, can you give me the number approximating to the nearest 100? Give me this number. We have 5,000. We want to find the number approximating to the nearest 100 to give. Look at this place. We can convert it to be 9 and write 4,990. We can approximate it to the nearest 100. It will be what? 9 can give 1 to 9. 9 will be 10. Write 0 and 0. 9 will be 10. 0 and carry up 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Then the result will be 5,000. Okay? And the number here will be 4,990. Next question, number 19. A 5-digit number has digits 0, 5, 7, 9, and 0 to the nearest thousands. It's around 80,000. What is the number? Who can tell me about this number? Approximately to the nearest thousand will be 80,000. Who can tell me? We can write 7. Okay, and 9. 9 can give 1. 7 will be 8. And write also 5 and 0 and 0. Okay, because he give us the example 0, 5, 7, 9, and 0. Then the number will be 79,500, approximating to the nearest 10,000. 9 can give 1 to 7. It will be 800 and 0. 80,000. Okay. So you can write the solution number in the 90,000 or 50,000 would round to 1,000, so the number must have 7 in the 10,000 place. 9 must be in the 1,000 place, and 5 must be in the 100 place for the number to 80,000. Okay, because 5 or 9 here can give 1. Any number greater than or equal to 5 can give 1. So the result will be 80,000. Assessment, we can complete this table to approximate it to the nearest 100, 1,000, and so on. Okay, I will solve with you here this number approximating. I want to approximate this number to the nearest 100. That with me about 100 place. 100 place was 9. Then we must put 0 here, 1 and 0. 9 can give 1 to 9. Yes, it will be 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6, and 5 and 1. The result will be 156,000. Okay. And thousands place, we have 3 zeros here, and 9 can give 1 to 5. 5 will be 6, and also 6 and 1. And next number 10,000 here, 5. 0 can give 1 to 5. 5 will be 6, and write 1 and 5 and 3 0. 100,000 with 1, 2, 3, 4. 100,000 here was 1. Right, 0, 5 give 1, it will be 200,000. Okay, this is the answer about this question. Okay, understood. The result here about approximately the nearest 1,000, 6 and 5 and 1, and here 160,000, 200,000. Okay, you can complete all the solution about approximating like this. Number 909, 843. We can approximate this number to the nearest 100,000. The 100,000 here 9. 0 can't give 1. So you must write 9 and all digits by the right hand side convert to zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The result will be 900,000. Next question, practice number 5. Construct arrangements. Look at here. we can comparing between two numbers also and write an expanded form and find the sum between two numbers. What is one way you could construct an arrangement to justify whether a least contract is true? Look at here, we have set A and set B. We can combine it between two numbers, 45,760 and here 492,111. I could use understanding of place value and comparing to explain. Any students can do two methods. First method, you can comparing the number. We have here 5 digits and here 6 digits. Then this number at set A less than this number at letter B. Or you can combine between 1,025,680 greater than 409,867 because we have 6 digits and here 5 digits. It's the first method. And second method, you can find the value of each place. Likewise, you can combine here for the value of digit 4 is about first. Look at here, we have 45,760 and also we have 492,111. The value of digit 4 at last one, it will be 40,000 and the value of digit 4 here, it will be 400,000. And we know 400,000 it's equal 10 product by the value of digit 4 here will be 40,000. It's the first or second method. The third method, you can approximating to the nearest place. The last place here 4. 5 can give 1 4, yeah. It will be 5 and then write all zeros. Okay, it's the second method and the third method. And first method combining between counting the number. Okay, we have 3 methods combining. First method count the number and second method we can write the strategy using here int form strategy, int form strategy, right the left hand side 4 and all digits is 0, okay, and comparing between two numbers. And the third, we can approximating to the nearest left hand side here 10,000 and here 100,000. 9 can't give 1 or can give it will be 500 to be 500,000. Then 500,000 in 10 times more is the value of digit 5 in the first number 50,000. So I could use understanding of place value. Any method you can use the place value digit, okay, about this strategy about place value comparing to explain the true. And the answer here set A are easier to compare because they have a different number basis. And question number 3, Lisa wrote a combination set and B using the 10,000 space. Explain what strategies could have used. Lisa could have compared the number in set B starting with the greatest place value from left hand side. So we have 3 methods to comparing between two numbers, okay? Understood this? You can combine number set B. Here you can comparing between 3 numbers or 4 numbers to set A and set B by counting the number or using the strategy in front end strategy or approximating to the nearest here 10,000 here 100,000 and here we can write front end strategy or approximating to the nearest teens rounding, this rounding and this about in the front strategy or combining by using place value about the digits. We have 3 methods, okay? Next page. Ask this question here. Describe the list. One way you could construct arrangement to justify conjecture. She will use the place value to round each distance to the nearest thousand and show the distance are the same. Okay. About the distance here is this map. We can find the distance between anything by using rounding like this. The first here number 5,252, we can approximate this number to the nearest thousand. Okay, this number is in the table, okay, don't worry. Here the table is the last page, have the number there approximating like this. It's like this, okay, or here is the map. Here is the map. This number we can approximate to the nearest thousand, okay. I will write the three mills here and approximating each one to left hand side. First one 5,784, we can approximate it to the nearest thousand here, so we can give one to left hand side. It will be 6,000 and 6,579 approximating to the nearest thousand will be 7,000 and 5,252 to the nearest thousand will be 5,000, okay. and we can combine between them by finding the approximate rounding. It's the first method, or we can combine by using the approximating. It's the third method, you know it. And the second method you can using by in the front strategy, right? 5 and 3 zeros, the first, and here 6 and 3 zeros, and 5 and 3 0. But this example we have similar, so the beautiful or the exact result by using the rounding. The rounding will give me the correct answer here in this example, okay? Because 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. But if you're using the front end strategy, it has a similar answer between all the numbers, okay? The simple answer here about approximating, like this 6,000, and have 5,000. You can combine between them, and also you can combine between 5,000 and 6,000 by using approximating, okay? He asked about is this conjecture true, or answer no. His answer will no, because if see using rounding or front end strategies, the two numbers not exactly true, because we have 5,000, 5,000. The flight distance for Chicago is about 5,000 meters, and the flight distance from Chicago to Ireland is about 6,000. This rounded distance are not the same. Okay, the distance not same about rounding, okay? But I solved this example to find approximating the nearest thousand. They are difficult. We have here 5,000 to be 6,000, and this will be 5,000. This number will be 7,000. They are different about approximating, not exactly. Okay, next time I will explain additional practice. Inshallah. Goodbye.